Hi guys, welcome in my YouTube channel. Now today we will study 10th standard science subject modern periodic table. You know, in 1913 AD, in English scientist Henry Moseley demonstrated with the help of experiments done using X-ray tube that the atomic number Z of an element corresponds to the positive charge on nucleus, the number of the protons in the nucleus of the atom of that element. This revealed that atomic number is more fundamental property of an element than its atomic mass. Properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic numbers. The classification of elements resulting from an arrangement of the elements in an increasing order of their atomic numbers is the modern periodic table. The properties of elements can be predicted more accurately with the help of the modern periodic table. In the modern periodic table, the elements are arranged in accordance with their atomic numbers. The modern periodic table contains 7 horizontal rows called periods. 7 horizontal rows called periods. Similarly, the 18 vertical columns in this table are the groups 1 to 18. The arrangement of the periods and groups results into formation of boxes. Atomic numbers are serially indicated in the upper part of these boxes. Each box corresponds to the place of one element. Everyone look at in this diagram. There are 1 to 7 horizontal rows called periods and 1 to 18 boxes are called columns. Will you see? 1 to 18 columns are present and 1 to 7 there are horizontal rows called periods. So, apart from 7 rows, 2 rows are shown separately at the bottom of the periodic table. These are called lanthanide series and actinide series. It means that there are 118 places for elements in the modern periodic table. Very recently formation of a few elements was established experimentally and thereby the modern periodic table is now completely filled. All the 118 elements are now discovered. Total 118 elements are now discovered. The entire periodic table is divided into 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block and F block. The S block contains groups 1 and 2. Everyone look at here. S block contain group 1 and 2. Those are S block. Then the groups 13 to 18 constituent group 13 to 18 constituents P block. Look at here. Groups 13 to 18 contains P block. Then the groups 3 to 12 constituents D block. Look at in this figure. Group 3 to 12. 3 to 12 contain D block. A zigzag line can be drawn in the P block of the periodic table. The 3 traditional types of elements can be clearly shown in the modern periodic table with the help of this zigzag line. The metalloid elements lie along the border of this zigzag line. All the metals lie on the left side and zigzag line while all the non-metals lie on the right side. Characteristics of groups and periods in the periodic table are understood by comparison of the properties of the elements. Various properties of all the elements in a group shown similarly and gradation. The properties of elements change slowly while going from one end to other. Groups and electronic configuration. The family of alkali metals is the same if you look at the elements from any other group. Beryllium, magnesium and calcium belong to the group 2. Will you see? In between group 2, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, outermost shell, there are 2 electrons are present. There are 7 electrons in the outermost shell of the elements such as fluorine. Look at in 17 number group like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Like in between the group 17, the family of halogens. Those are the family of halogens. We can say the electronic configuration of the outermost shell characteristic of particular group. Elements are arranged in an increasing order of their atomic numbers. Vertical columns are called groups. There are 18 groups are present. How many groups are present? 18 groups are present. The chemical properties of the elements in the same group show similarly and gradation. Horizontal rows are called periods. Horizontal rows are called periods. Those are the periods. 7 periods are present. The properties of elements change slowly from one end to the other in a period. So there are 4 blocks are present. S block 1 and 2 groups are present. P block 13 to 18 groups are present. D block 3 to 12 groups are present, and F block lanthanide and actinide series. Will you see here F block present in their lanthanide series and actinide series present. This is the lanthanide series and actinide series present in F block. Then what is meant by valency? We are seeing next video valency. Thank you.